All right, guys, so welcome back to Texas Car Dad. I'm back in the garage. I've got Wes with me, and what are we doing today, Wes?
Stupid.
Oh my God, it's so stupid. So first of all, let me point out, we are not professionals. We're completely amateurs, and we are idiots. So we are here to install Wes's late night on the toilet Facebook Marketplace purchase.
$300 carbon fibre.
The carbon fibre.
Stupid.
So yeah,
spoiler.
we are installing this giant 65-inch wing?
65-inch wing.
65-inch wing on his Hyundai Veloster.
Why? Because I can.
We have no plan, absolutely none. We don't have the right hardware. We are essentially piecing this together, and from what we've already calculated, this may or may not work, but we're going to start drilling into the car and just go after it.
Amen. And before anybody says it in the comments, we already know it's a hatchback and it's probably not going to do a thing, but look cool. So
yeah, no, it's totally for looks. We know this has absolutely nothing to do with aerodynamics and performance. But hey, as always, welcome back to Texas Car Dads.
Do it.
All right, so what's the plan here?
Yeah, we're going to have to take off all this.
Yeah.
We're going to have to take off this too, because where we're going to mount that other part is right here.
Yeah, so we got to get all of this plastic off because we're going to need to be up under into the sheet metal. So here's the idea.
Give them a rundown, because we got a few options here.
Yeah, so we have parts, I'm going to air quote this, to basically run a mount from the top of this wing, which something we haven't thought of and we're going to need to consider. We need to mark an area where we can mount that, where it's not going to hit the top of your car when this, see how close this is?
Oh yeah, it'll have to be
Yeah.
at least that far out.
So yeah, so
but if anything, we can put the strut on the back side.
True.
Rather than inside.
So our plan is we are going to remove this bracket from the wing. Wes is not a fan. I am not either. Wes brought these 200-pound capacity 20-inch struts.
Before y'all said thing, they don't make 20-inch struts that don't compress or adjust, but like 200 pounds, can't even get it to go down. So it's not going anywhere.
Yeah, so before you jump in the comments, yes, we did look for adjustable support rods. I tried to find them. I could not find the size that we needed. The highest that we could, or the longest that we could find, was 13 inches, and that's not going to work in this application.
That's what she said.
So we went with the next best thing. Basically gas struts that are way overbuilt for what we're doing that should fit the bill. So we will find out, and if it doesn't work and it causes chaos, then stay tuned for the end of the video to see if you get to laugh at us or not.
Still gonna be a good video either way.
All right, well, we've got a game plan, so we're gonna get started. Quick check-in. Wes has already got some of the hardware mounted and some of the old hardware removed. What are we doing now?
Taking the mount off because the wing's too heavy to hold while we're trying to sit there and try to align it.
Yeah, now we got to align this whole thing and make sure that we get it centered on the car, because the last thing you want to do is throw this mount on there and then realize it's a half an inch off to the side, because even though you won't see it, like if I'm right, and when I'm driving behind him, it will just bug the shit out of me. It's one of those things like if you just know that it's there, then it just bugs you. And we're back.
Are we ready?
Okay, so you already saw the tape. So
Level
now
it out.
we've got it leveled. We've got our marks in, ish.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah, I mean it's
for sure.
look, it's good for two amateurs.
It's good enough.
Yeah, we're like within a milli 100th. Dude, I don't know how to use a
Millimeter.
I don't know what their names are. I know there's like a
100th of
Yeah.
a millimeter.
Yeah, something like that.
Stick up my ass.
Canadian stuff. So we've got the hole punched out. Here we go.
Oh my god.
Can you?
You
Seriously?
think I'm wrapping this thing?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I just really just went straight in. You didn't punch a hole very well.
I mean.
Okay, here we go.
Yeah. Are you going forward or are you in reverse?
I'm going
No, leave the tape. The tape
see the
provides
hole.
the tape provides traction. You should be like right there.
You would think.
Full send it. Oh my god, he did it. Oh, he's in.
That was actually easier than I thought it was gonna be.
All right.
No going back now.
Yeah, fitment check. Nope, gonna need one more.
One more. Like up here.
Yeah.
That's oddly easier than I thought it was gonna be.
Well, that's why we got that step bit. That's what it's made for.
That one's like way too easy.
Shut up. Okay, let's see. Oh, grab the bracket so we don't. I'm grabbing. Oh.
Yeah. Right.
You know, we really should have looked on the back side of this.
Are we gonna have to drill another hole?
Well, we are gonna have to drill another hole, but the problem is,
Where that's at?
yeah, we're gonna have to move these wires around and see.
Let's see.
Yeah, we need to unclip all of these to make sure we don't nick them. We may have to reroute some of these things, like, and this is this. What is this, a bolt? I don't know what that goes to. It's like it just.
Goes nowhere?
Yeah, it's like it's like a canceled out. How we doing?
Regretting all my life choices.
Okay, so sit rep. We've got the bottom mounts on. Wes only put a minor scratch in his car. It's fine. It's all fine. Yeah.
There's like 6 at this point.
Yeah.
Get in there.
Censor so much of this video.
Yep.
In case y'all been wondering, this is why Wes is on the other side of the camera now.
Yeah, you're not wrong.
So we're almost done here. Next.
Yes, this looks stupid. Yes, these will be chopped.
Yeah.
Eventually.
This is the only way we could get.
And it's on there.
Yeah, I mean, no, it's the only way that we could get to, or make it work to try to get these bolts through the panel.
Because I don't know if you can tell, where's my light here?
Yeah.
This is a show.
Yeah, like this is what we're working with.
This is just a
right.
nightmare.
Oh, where's it at?
Yeah, there's a bracket.
Oh yeah, that's what we're working with right
the
there.
bracket doesn't work.
Yeah,
Yeah, it is a whole mess.
it is a mess.
This, again, first and foremost, I don't know if we did address this or not. This was not built for this car. Not in any shape, form.
Well, it's for a Golf GTI, wasn't it?
GTI,
Yeah.
yeah.
So we're adapting it to fit with a Hyundai Veloster.
Yeah, and it's going swimmingly.
I mean, it could be worse,
It could be worse.
but the night is still young.
Yeah.
Ooh, makes me so nervous. But hey, we have progress,
Yeah.
and we double checked our work, and we're actually level.
Double checked it twice.
Yeah,
We're level.
not bad for 2 idiots in a
Two
garage.
idiots, yeah.
And this thing's
It's on there. Like,
Yeah.
even without the struts, it's on there. It ain't coming off.
almost makes me wonder, did we need to put the struts on there?
Probably not, but it looks stupid enough to be cool. So
Yeah,
that's
I
where
mean-
we're at. Probably
All
didn't
right.
need them, but it is what it is.
We got the top holes drilled. Now we need to put in hardware, and next time we check in, there's probably going to be a wing attached. I'm going to admit, this is actually turning out
Better than I could have.
better than. I mean, this is doing way better than I would have anticipated.
For real.
It's taken us a lot longer than we had planned on, but this actually, I'm going to admit it, this looks pretty good.
It's just huge, dude. I'm gonna run into it just by walking by it.
Other way.
Is it the other one? Yeah.
Look at the canards.
Oh. Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're going to do backwards first. remember when I took the wing off my Corvette one time. That scared the crap out of me.
Yeah. Why'd you take it off?
I don't remember. I was doing something here. Okay.
I fucking love it!
Now's the time to put the comments down below. What do you guys think? Is it
completely stupid? Yes.
Does it look cool, or is it completely Ricer Boy?
Well, it's definitely Ricer Boy.
Oh.
Is it 90s Ricer where exactly where I want it to be?
Yes.
Exactly why I did it.
You know what you need now to go with it is a front air dam.
Oh yeah,
yeah, you
I
need
definitely want to get a front air dam. There's also a grill delete that I kind of want.
You need that now.
Yeah, that'd be sick.
Literally, we just wanted to film us being idiots in the garage. Do we recommend that you do this on your own? Absolutely not. Don't do this, please. Do as we say, not as we do. If you decide to do this, just keep in mind this was not a how-to video. We are two idiots just playing around and trying to figure stuff out. And fortunately, Wes didn't care if we completely ruined this hatch. He would have just went and got another one. But I think I was I was probably the naysayer, so I think it actually came out pretty cool. So congrats, Wes.
Thank you.
Have fun.
It. I'm glad we spent 5 hours on this because it was awesome.
I mean, did you expect us to go any shorter?
No,
I didn't.
I kind of figured it did.
All right. Well, hey, everybody, again, thank you for tuning in to watch this video. I hope you have a great rest of the week, and we'll see you next time. Say bye, Wes.
Bye.